we divide 432 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 432 divided by 5 is 86.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.